That's the brand new rack. Yes, sir. Rise and grind, man. Back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. See what we got this morning. 03 Toyota Camry LE. 4-cylinder. Gonna be doing a rack and pinion on it. Alright, that's how we working. Jack stands. Safety first. Alright, we got the wheel off. So we got a tie rod we gotta take off. As you can see, I already replaced the outer. And you can see right here, we got that first bolt right there. Focus. And the steering rack, we got easy access. And you can see the other bolt over there, tucked off on the side. Alright, so go ahead and knock this out. Go ahead and knock that bolt loose right there. Knock that one. That's a 18 mil. Alright, that tie rod, we got a 17 mil bolt. Hit that loose. And we're gonna tap that right here with a hammer. It's gonna knock that loose. Alright, we're gonna loosen that, take that out. Tie rod, count your threads so you know where you put them back at. Or you can count the turns. I know people count turns. I like to count the threads. Look at all of that play. Woo. That's what you feeling. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump on the other side and do the same thing for it, and get back with you when I get up in here. Get these bolts in. Get that rack, that steering rack, loosen that up. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump on the other side and do the same thing for it, and get back with you when I get up in here. Alright, we got this side undone. You can see with this boot all torn. Now we're gonna get up under it. Let's see what we got. That's one bolt there. Another bolt there. Lines. Okay, so these lines here, these two lines, we're gonna be undoing those, and that bolt right there, and it's attached to the rack, steering gear. Let's get to it. $17 mil, got that bolt out. And we're gonna go ahead and hit the next one. Alright, we loosened up that nut that holds the bolt in. And as you can see, that bolt will not come all the way out. You might have to take out those bolts on that sway bar or pivot it. Basically, taking this end off and that bolt and letting this thing swing on both sides. And that's a quick 17. Right. See how that pivot See if it'll make it clear on the other side. Yeah, see, we got a little bit more room. Should be able to pull that bolt out. And that did it. Alright, now just tap that one. Tap that one through. Alright, see how long the bolt is. Right? So without that pivoting, you would not be able to get those bolts out. Alright, next I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on it just to lube it up. It's kind of rusted, but we're gonna knock that loose and get that free. Then we're gonna hit these lines on the rack. Alright, this bolt here, or this nut, that's holding that bracket there for that line. Get that out the way. We got another 12 mil right there, and that's gonna release that bracket. All of this is connected to it, so move it. All right. So I broke those free. They 17 mil. Get you a catch pan. Catch this fluid when you get them. Alright, got them both out. Right. Catch that fluid. Alright, we got that steering column off. Now we can get this on up out of here. Should be able to come through right here. See how loose these inner tie rods were. Look at that. No play. Stiff. That's what you want. All of that causes vibrations moving around, like knocking noises. You going over bumps or whatever. Yeah. Let's go back, man. Reverse order. Alright, we got it in position. I'm gonna go ahead and put these bolts in, hold it down. Alright, we put those bolts in. Got them finger tight. I didn't tighten them up just yet. Gonna go ahead and hit this line. Get these lines in here. All the brackets hooked up. Okay, these gaskets, I want to replace those. All right, we got our lines installed and brackets on. And we're gonna go ahead and hook up that steering gear, that steering column. Make sure your steering wheel is straight. Got that bolt in. Stabilize the link. Sway bar, whatever you want to call it. And your outer tie rod.